Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy. Calculus problems like this one look intimidating, but you can solve them in under 60 seconds by following 3 simple steps. Let us dive right in. First, we find the velocity function by taking the derivative of position with respect to time. Apply the chain rule to both terms to get the correct velocity expression now. Now substitute 6 for t into our velocity function. This gives us the rate of change at the specific moment requested, so we are ready for the final calculation step. Finally, calculate the numerical value. Using a calculator for the exponential term, we arrive at approximately 1.523. Boom, you got this, and that makes option A. Nailed it! Scan the code, you can learn better with Sovi. Don't skip the chain rule. Always use the derivative to find your final correct answer.